All right, today I'm actually out here working on this truck. I've already got it halfway torn apart, but let me show you what we got going on. This customer of mine, which is also a close friend, just had the water pump replaced a year ago, and it is starting to make noise. The other day he came because he wanted to see what was going on, and the noise was transferring over to this belt tensioner. So we replaced the belt tensioner. Ends up that's not what it was. The problem is the actual water pump. You can probably see it wobbling. Try to do this as stable as I can. I don't know if you guys could hear that. That is the noise that we are getting from the water pump. So the bearing is bad, and we're gonna go ahead and replace that. So I did put my bucket down there to catch a coolant, but I spilled quite a bit. It'll be all right. Okay, so the old part, which is only 1 year old, is a aftermarket water pump. From my personal experience, aftermarket water pumps, they don't last as long as original OEM parts. That's the old one. This is the new one, AC Delco GM part number. Quiet. The only thing you hear is the gasket. So quiet. Maybe I should have taken that off. We also got some Dex Cool from AC Delco. As you can see, GM. So yeah, let's get to it. It's the old gasket. The old water pump bolts had thread locker on them. So we're gonna put some thread locker back on there before we put everything back on. I'm gonna put you back right here with the microphone. As you can tell, no more noise, so we're good to put everything back together. Wow. The cap broke. Right, so I did lose some footage. Battery died, but we got it off. I had to destroy the radiator cap to get it apart. We're almost done. I'm gonna run to the auto parts store. So got the part. All right, made it back with the radiator cap. So now we can go ahead and fill it up with coolant. I don't even know where to put you guys. This is aluminum, so the magnet won't stick. Maybe I'll just put you guys here. Right here on my tools. Okay. That works. Okay, this is a new Radiator cap. Put that one on. We should be good to go. No more noise from the water pump. There is a ticking noise. I looked at it the other day. The ticking noise is coming from a broken exhaust bolt on the back side of the header. Alright, now that the car is warmed up, the ticking noise quieted down a lot. It's a common problem. This engine mount is also busted on this driver's side. Okay, so for the motor mount test, this is what I did. Put my left foot on the brake, put it in drive, and then with your foot on the brake, you're gonna hit the gas. And I could feel the thump from inside the car. If you're doing it by yourself, sometimes you could look over the hood or look under the hood and see the engine. I don't even know if you can see that, but I'll show you the under the engine bay point of view. Well, I'll show you under the hood point of view. So you could also do this engine mount test in reverse to test the other side. So we know that when we put in drive, the driver's side is lifting up. If you put in reverse, then you can test the motor mount on the passenger side for this vehicle. And in this case, the passenger side motor mount is good. Most of the time it's the driver, well, most of the time it is the driver's side on these cars, because majority of the time you're in drive. The passenger side rarely ever goes bad, but they do go bad. Most of the time when they do go bad, it's compression. They don't have the squishiness to stop the vibration instead of the thump. All right, that's gonna be it for this one. I'm gonna move this car, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.